Amazon sellers. My name is Dana Rodriguez, and I have the breaking news topics for you today. So we are going to begin with intellectual property and end with intellectual property in today's breaking news. Our first topic is sellers do not need the brand's okay to sell. Second, business verification for new sellers. Our third topic is avoid being accused of related accounts while traveling. And fourth, ASL versus NFL and the Cowboys. Thank you so much for joining us, and happy holidays.
Chinese sellers' problems arriving right here on U.S. shores. Thank you for joining me for Christmas Eve's episode of Amazon Sellers Breaking News. Today is Tuesday, December 24th, 2019, Christmas Eve. We're going to start today's news with intellectual property issues, and we're going to end today's news with intellectual property issues in a way that is huge and strong for sellers. First breaking news story, intellectual property right complaints. You do not need any brand's permission, any brand's authorization to sell their product. In the United States, the first sale doctrine applies, and as long as the consumer is receiving a product that is not materially different than what that consumer would receive from a brick and mortar store, you are 100% okay. Very few big brands have built anything into their products that stop you from buying and reselling their products, so IP complaints are still almost always baseless. Second breaking news story. New sellers are continuing to have problems with business verification. If you're sending in a document to Amazon to verify your business, the name, the address, everything's got to match your account for Amazon to approve it. If you do not have a utility bill, get a rider to a lease. Get a lease that indicates who pays the utilities, and that should satisfy Amazon's business verification issues. Third breaking news story, related accounts. This time of year, especially during the Christmas holiday when people are traveling, you need to be extremely careful where you log on to your account from. If you're going to your family's and someone else is a seller, don't log on without using a VPN. If you go to a McDonald's, a hotel, shared office space, WeWork, Regis, any of that kind of stuff, make sure you're using a VPN. Fourth breaking news story, and I said we're going to start with IP and end with IP. If you are a football fan, if you like buying and selling NFL-related goods or Dallas Cowboys stuff, we are suing the NFL. We are suing the Dallas Cowboys for making totally baseless complaints against one of our sellers who lost a boatload of money, and he's not going to take it. So by the time you are seeing this news program, this law firm has sued the National Football League, the Dallas Cowboys, and the NFL Players Association for making 1,000% baseless IP complaints against one of our clients. Thank you very much for joining me on Christmas Eve for Amazon Sellers Breaking News. I hope each and every one of you have an absolutely fantastic night, a killer Christmas, that you wrap up Q4 with tremendous profits, and I will see you again on the 26th for Amazon Sellers Breaking News.